Don't even start with me, Han. Always looking for trouble.
Yeah.
That like that?
Like one of these metal brackets
Yeah, and you need the...
and a big sledge.
Okay. You know, you cute with your white thing in the forehead.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm starving. I don't eat. Mama doesn't give me food. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Guys, good morning, everything. So, ngayon, guys, good morning. Andun si Tami sa labas. Yung temperature is 30 degree. Last night is sobrang lakas yung hangin. Lumipad yung fence, look. Lumipad yung fence. Itong dalawang upuan lumipad doon. Kinuha ni Tami 1 o'clock in the morning. And dito din natumba yung fence. Nahirig ba, parang leaning down na. So si Roxy, so yun, look. Lumabas ako 2 o'clock kasi nakalimutan kong yung basura namin andun pala sa driveway. So guys, lumipad yung basurahan namin, guys, malayo. So 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, kinuha ko siya. And then this morning, hindi lang ako magpakita, guys, ha, kasi maliligo pa ako. And then kaninang umaga, ngayong umaga, lumabas ako kasi gusto kong tignan sa harapan ng bahay. Ang nangyari, guys, is yung mga basura na nandun sa garbage pail namin, andun na pala sa yard. So kinuha ko yung mga dumi ng pusa, cellophane, ganon, mga botilya andun. So this morning yun yung ginawa ko, naghakot ako ng basura sa yard, and then pinasok ko, guys, sa sa garahean. Kasi yung hangin kagabi is, sabi pa ni Tami, ang lakas. Yeah, hi, Pop. Hello, good morning. Say good morning. And Tami, nagluto siya ng sobrang aga ng pancake. Ito yung niluto niya, guys, pancake. So, yun. And then, kumain na kaming dalawa. Ang dami naming, I'm gonna make that. Gawin natin ito, guys. Hindi ngayon, baka bukas. So, from triple chunk, siya? Brownie. Hello, guys. Namatay yung camera, iwan ko. Namatay ng madalian. Hello. Aalis kami mga 11. 10:20, 10:19 something. So, yan. Pagdating namin din doon, para hindi ako gutom or kami, ang gagawin ko is magdala ng baon. Rice. Where's the pork man?
I don't know, that's what I'm telling you.
Oh my God! Did you give it to the dog?
No. Last time I saw it, you had some, but I don't know what you do with that.
I know.
So if you didn't finish it, it must be in there somewhere.
Yeah, you hide it behind the egg.
Yeah, I haven't used yet.
Because you're the one who put everything here, remember? You said no space, no space.
Hun?
Magutom kaming dalawa ni Mr. Tamimoy. Me, I'm just gonna bring a little bit of rice. And my husband is... Okay, I bring extra pork for us, okay? And then I hid it over there. And I'm gonna bring something for you. What? Anyway, so I'm gonna put something here for you with the salad. And it's not good when it's cold. I told you to keep. Han, you're cooking again. We're leaving soon. Can you put that in the coffee to go? Why? Why is it? Half hour. Yeah, and then you drink. You know when you drink coffee, it's an hour and a half. Hour and a half when you drink coffee, darling. Darling. Darling, you can love one, you can love two. It's a very, very two. Yung kapatid ni Tami, magpunta siya doon, pero meron pa siyang mga dapat asikasuhin. So, sabi ko, hindi na tayo dapat maghintay pa sa kanila. Kasi we live, and I'm gonna park this time in the grass. That I don't have to wait for them to open it. So, you have salad, you have this, you have pork.
You want a tuna fish?
No, I don't like your tuna.
Yeah.
I don't like your tuna fish.
No, it's good. What can I say? Not my fault, no, but it's good. You're so sad.
So sad, don't close it.
So sad you don't know what
What are you getting? It's so sad that you keep making mayonnaise for food. It's unhealthy food. You don't have
Just
a...
clueless.
You're clueless.
Clueless.
Okay, let's find a cover in this one. Hopefully, there's still a cover for this. Yeah, we don't
It's
have a
crazy
cover
fat.
for this, hon. I remember.
Yeah, she threw it out, I'm sure.
Hon, I did it.
That's what she does.
I know.
You seriously threw the white container out? The white top?
Hon, I didn't.
Uh-huh.
Don't even start with me, hon.
Uh-huh.
Always looking for trouble.
Yeah.
That's who he is, guys. Always looking for trouble.
It's so hard to be her.
Han, don't keep saying that, honey. You're not nice to me.
It's so hard to be not nice to her.
Lingara si Tami, lingara si Bibi, Bibi damulag. Ay, naka-sweater tayo kasi maginaw. It's cold outside, right? And, you know, the
I was
dust.
sweating, you were freezing, so who knows?
And the dust out in the other house too, so that's why. Sweater. What is that olive thingy?
It's oil really without one.
Hey.
Yeah, that's really bad.
Uh-huh.
That was really bad.
I told you it's leaning really bad. The wind is crazy last night. Holy cow. You need a stand. The side thing. I told you. Yeah, I told you. Slowly. Nasira talaga.
Give me a bracket and the sledge from the garage. Bring it out here.
That like that?
Like one of these metal brackets
Yeah, and you need the...
and a big sledge.
Okay. Doon ko nakita yung mga basura. There's rock everywhere. Careful with your hand. La. Hold on.
That's it. I want to just make
Okay.
it straighter. Yeah.
Okay. You put the thing back over there. We really need a new one.
Yeah.
Okay na. Huh?
Been saying for years.
Yeah. Oh God, this is heavy. What is that?
Woodpecker.
Woodpecker?
Yep.
Hi guys, andito pa rin kami. And Han, did you check the temperature in your Rochelle?
What?
Check the temperature in your Rochelle.
Yeah.
Ito ito yung ibigay ko sa kapatid ni Tami. And then, itong box, magagamit ko ito. Lagyan ng mga anik-anik. Like, alam mo na, ay, expect na talaga natin yung mga junkie-junkie ka. Dahil, alam naman ninyo, yung buhay natin is puno ng kajangkihan. Pero okay lang yan. At saka yung buhok ko, guys. Naliligo ako kanina. Kaninang umaga. Maaga pa man. Naligo ako kanina kasi sabi ko, ay, grabe na ito ba? Yung buhok natin ba? Gutom ako as in. Biit. Kakain lang ako, guys, ha? Kasi sobrang gutom ko na. As in, kanina pa ako,
Did you take one of these home?
Hmm?
Did you take one of these home?
No.
I guess Andrew did.
So, fun. You gonna eat?
And what happened to the plastic lid for the thing upstairs?
I'm hungry. I'm going to eat. Kain tayo, guys. Ay, dito. Nagutom talaga ako. As in, wala. Hello, guys. Umalis na si Tami. Yan, umalis siya kasi. So, umalis siya. Nagpunta siya sa tawag doon, Home Depot. Bibili siya ng bubble wrap. Sabi ko, huwag kang magpunta sa kasi malapit lang yung cast ko doon, guys. Sa Home Depot. So, yan. So, yun, guys. Linis-linis pag may time. Kasi, nakakaloki. Hindi kasi nila alam kung anong gagawin dito. Anyway, yung kapatid pala ni Tami, papunta na yun dito. And, wala, hindi naman namin alam talaga kung anong gagawin dito kasi hindi na namin alam. Ang hirap ang hirap magkalisod. Yung lips ko sobrang dry. Naghanap ako ng cellophane, plastic. Wala akong nakitang plastic talaga. Andrea! Good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Look at that. You're the only one. Me and Tommy talked the other day. I said, Tommy and I talked the other day about you and me. I said, Andrea is the only one called me and she's the only one I call bitch. And then I pronounce it wrong all the time, right? Bitch. Bitch like water.
I don't know. Bitch is a word that
Ocean.
I understand out of your mouth.
Seriously?
Say shovel.
Shovel.
There's something,
I pronounce it wrong.
there's something you say that I don't understand.
Shovel.
I don't know if it's
Bitch.
shovel. Bitch, I hear. Bitch, I hear.
Okay.
You don't have a problem with that, do you, bitch?
What is this? See, this is mom stuff. I don't...
I have no idea. It's like my garage. I can't clean my garage because some of the stuff I don't know what it is. I'm supposed to throw it away because...
But that's your stuff.
No. But it might be a part to something that
It's
I don't
missing.
know enough to throw certain stuff away. So I get in trouble for you.
But anyway, this is Isabel too.
I don't know what that is, honestly.
It's a printer. This is go to the house. No, it's Angelo's house. Okay, guys. Okay, tignan natin kung magkasya ba itong mga ito. More soy sauce din. Dinala ko na tong soy sauce. Ang dami ng gamit dito. Paperworks. Okay guys, aalis na kami. And iiwan ko na yung kapatid ni Tami. So yun. It's already 6 something, probably almost 7. Busy lang siya. 6:24 na. You're cute with your white thing in the forehead. Like
I'm a unicorn.
that's not unicorn.
Doesn't look like a unicorn?
No.
No?
It's like a Jewish.
Oh,
That thing.
yarmulke.
Yeah.
And it goes back here, not up.
No, it's a forehead.
No. Get out of here.
No, they put it in the forehead.
No, it goes back here, like on the palm of your head.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No, I know unicorn is a one thing, right? Like that. It's a one horn.
Yes. It's one.
Just one. I like unicorn. No, I don't believe Santa Claus. They are not real, Andrea. Santa Claus is not real.
Who's listening to that? Don't be
Santa
talking
Claus is not
stuff.
real. Right,
Don't be
Ness?
talking stuff.
Santa Claus is not real.
She got you on tape, is the
Signed non-disclosure.
thing.
Since when do you know a government?
Hello guys. Oh my god guys, it's 6:30 na guys. Andito pa rin kami na ano kami sa kakausap ka sa salita. Ay, kakausap. I have to go because you know, it's very cold. Ito ding ano sa kakausap-usap namin, walang nangyari. Oh my god guys, I saw pictures of mom, you know, sobrang baby pa niya guys, grabe. Ang bata pa ng mother-in-law ko. Oh my god, 8:30 na kami doon makauwi. Yun, alam na, hindi ako makalabas eh. I think I can go. Kasi nakaali yung kapatid ni Tami. Yung bunso nila andito din oh. Nakaano siya. Naka-black. And then yung isang kapatid andun. And then nandun sila sa bahay. Meron naman kaming na-accomplish. And then yung sasakyan ko is punong-puno din. Guys, I will see you na lang later guys. Kasi magdadrive lang ako. Buti na lang meron kaming pagkain na in-order kahapon. Kasi pag wala ay nako, mag-ano na naman tayo, mag-isip-isip kung anong kakainin. Dead na talaga. Talagang dead na dead. Oh my god, ang tagal. Ang ano dito guys, yung mga kapitbahay guys, sobrang quiet. Yung mga kapitbahay. Yun, across the street yan. Ganito yung buhay dito guys. Yung mga tao nasa loob ng bahay, walang anek, walang mga ginagawa. Dito lang, nasa sa loob lang, nanonood ng TV, kumakain, nagluluto, nagpaligo ng mga bata, ganon. So yun yung buhay dito. Doon sa Pilipinas, naglalaro na mga bata, gitar-gitar. Iwan ko noong kapanahonan ko pa, naglalaro, nasa labas ng bahay, magitar-gitar, kain-kain, inuman-inuman, bili sa labas ng barbecue. Hi guys, malapit na kami sa bahay, pero as in guys, yung kasasakyan ko muntik na walang gas. Sabi pa ni Tami, kaya pa yan. Sabi niya, kaya pa daw. So, sabi ko, ay, buti na lang talaga. Oh my God, it's almost 8 o'clock na guys. 5 minutes to 8. Malapit na kami dito, mga 10 minutes. Hi guys, so ngayon guys, alam nyo ba, yung ticket na machine, ano talaga, cut down daw, wala daw hindi daw gumagana yung mga machine ngayon sa lottery. Si Tami gusto talagang kumuha ng loto. We're trying to be, guys, gusto talaga naming manalo ng loto guys, para wala na tayo sa kahirapan ito. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan ito. So sana manalo naman. Kaya itong si Tami ko, taya ng loto para lang para baka manalo tayo. So Ginoo ko, sana naman, fingers crossed tayo guys, baka makakuha siya ng ticket, and also at the same time manalo tayo. Ginoo ko, gusto na talaga naming manalo ng lottery. Gusto na namin manalo. Anyway, okay, I'm so sleepy. It's 8:05 na. Yung mga pusa probably, at saka yung aso. Do they have it?
Yep.
What did you get? We win guys. When is this?
Tonight.
Tonight? Tomorrow guys, we will millionaire. Okay? Hi guys, andito na kami guys. Ang ginawa ko first is nagchi-check sa bahay kung mayroong mga disgrasyang mga ihi-ihi. Wala naman. Sabi ko, who did this? Usually kapag sabihin ko who did this, magtatago na yan sila guys. Pero sunod ng sunod pa rin. Look. Hi, monkey. You gonna eat? Dada give you some... Oh my God. Dada give you my food. We're gonna end the vlog. Meron kami mga ganap pero hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog. Kasi na busy-busy. Yung kapatid din ng asawa ko, puro kami tarayan. Puro kami nagtataray-tarayan kaming dalawa. So, wala na akong time. Steak yung pagkain sa asohan. You think we will win Lotto, honey?
No.
Ah, why you get the ticket if we're not gonna win?
I didn't say we're not going to win. You said I think. There's always a chance, and it's always worth taking a try. I can really say that.
Okay din. So anyway guys, salamat guys. Pahinga lang din ako after this guys kasi pagod. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Good night. Good night, honey.
Bye guys.
You don't really see him today. Busy yan sila sa reinstall ng demolish ng mga furniture. Yung asawa ng kapatid niya. Dinidemolish nila yung mga Han, that other furniture, honey, we cannot bring it here. We cannot. Now they're texting Steven if Steven want it because that's from the grandpa. Han, we have too many already. There's no space with that. Honestly, give it if they want it. Just give it.
You can regular food. I'll give you some more steak.
Okay. May kasi guys, may furniture doon na itim. Yung nakita niyo noon. Maganda daw yung kahoy na yun as in bata pa yung ama nila. Yun yung story pero ang dami ng furniture dito sa bahay. And then yung furniture doon.
Whoever finished food gets it.
So kung sino yung gagamit ng furniture na yun kasi gamit yun ng ama niya, yung bata pa. And then yung kahoy sobrang strong pa ba. So yun yung dahilan. Anyway, bye guys.